the dirty water is in this one and it comes over to this one?
Yes.
And then it sends it out there.
Out.
All right.
Be your alarm, so if your pump ever died, you'd hear that.
Okay.
So then this one would be your demand flow.
How did you make it do that?
So if the water raises,
It'll make
It'll
it go
alert.
upside down.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
and then this one is your demand flow, which should be up here.
And the demand float tells it to do what?
To go off.
Demand float tells it to go out there.
Yep.
Okay.
So it was close to going off anyways. So I just started it so it'll go off
Okay.
till it drains down and then it'll shut off.
Okay.
Of course, you got the chlorine tube.
So that's like the salt stuff. So what are you putting in there? Is that a new salt?
No, it's chlorine.
Oh, chlorine.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, the chlorine little tab.
Yes, ma'am.
Tablet.
So we put it in there. We put it in there for you. If you ever do it yourself, you don't want to do full chlorine because the tanks will blow up like a bomb.
Oh, okay.
And chlorine is not for the smell. Your compressor is in the middle one, and that's what acts. You ever seen a fish tank? How it bubbles and all that?
Yes.
Exactly what it does in there.
Okay.
And
So do you check these two?
Do you do anything with these two?
yeah.
Okay.
So, well, no, that's your trash tank.
Okay.
Until we get ready, we think you're needing to get pumped out.
The middle one here,
Yes.
you getting ready to do?
Yeah. And then we always ask that y'all put ant killer down because you gotta think ants like water and electricity, and all the electricity and water are in these tanks. So this is where all your wiring's at, and that's where all
okay.
the electricity is. Then this is your pump right here. So normally what we'll do is, it's pretty clean. We'll just get it all out, put it back on. But the ants like to tear up the compressor. They'll mess it up, then they'll chew wires, only because they'll cost a lot of money down the road, and try to avoid that.
So when you look in here, what exactly did you look for? I mean,
What, in here?
I saw you open it and look in it, but
So we just normally blow out the filter, clean the filter out.
okay. And that's kind of what you did when you dusted it off.
Yes.
Whatever. Okay,
Yes.
got it. So y'all, while I'm out here, I wanted to show y'all some plants that I planted back in June. I think they are annuals, I believe, but I planted them in June and they survived the 100-degree heat. They survived the drought, although I was watering, but they didn't die. In fact, they are still multiplying and they are still healthy. So I wanted y'all to kind of look at these with me and tell me what they are so I can go buy more and plant them. I know I got them at Lowe's and I just want to get more. So I'm going to walk over here, see if y'all can tell me what this is, what they are. Okay, let me know what y'all think.